friends, I'm again on YouTube channel to explain about the type of tenses. How many tenses are there? So I'll describe about three tenses are there. First one is present tense. Second is past. Third is future. So in this video I'll explain about present tense, what the present tense is. So I'll explain in Hindi also in a brief. So first one is, again present tense has three types. The first one is present indefinite. We can also say as simple present. सिंपल प्रेजेंट जिसमें हम ता ती यूज करते हैं, जैसे कि मैं काम करता हूँ, मीन टू से जो काम अभी करते हो, सो उसे कहते हैं प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट, इन विच वी यूज वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस एस और ई एस, एंड प्लस इफ इट इज नेगेटिव वी यूज डू नॉट और does not. Okay, so मैं काम करता हूँ, I do work. If I say मैं अपना काम करता हूँ, I do my work. Okay, it is affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences mean to say हाँ वाचक, हाँ वाचक. If I say about negative नावाचक, then I will say I do not do my work. मैं अपना काम नहीं करता. So that is called negative sentence. If I say about interrogative, mean to say प्रश्नवाचक. Do I do my work? क्या मैं अपना काम करता हूँ? That is called interrogative. So clear one, present indefinite we use verb first form plus s or es. In negative we use do not and does not. In present. Second one is present continuous. Present continuous mean to say जो काम चल रहा है. Suppose मैं काम कर रही हूँ, मैं वीडियो बना रही हूँ, that is called present continuous, in which we use verb first form plus ing plus is mr. Is mr is called as a helping verb, which is helpful to make the sentence like I am taking tea. Mean to say मैं चाय पी रही हूँ. So that means जो काम अभी कर रही हूँ, that is called present continuous. In this we use is mr plus verb first form plus ing. So is mr is called as a helping verb. Okay, if it is negative then you will say I am not taking tea. Here you will not write any do not or does not, simply not. That is called negative. This is affirmative. I am taking tea, that is called affirmative. If I say about I am not taking tea, that is called negative. Am I taking tea? That is called interrogative, mean to say प्रश्नवाचक. Okay, so this is called present continuous. The third one is present perfect. Present perfect mean to say जो काम हो चुका है, जो काम आपने कर लिया है. So here we use has or have plus verb third form of verb. Okay, has mostly it is used in singular form like he, she, it, and have is used in I, we, you, they. That is called have plus verb third form of degree. For example, I have attempted an exam. मैं एग्ज़ाम दे चुकी हूँ. That is called I have attempted an exam. I mean to say subject. So this is called helping verb have. This is called verb third form. And this is called object. So subject is I, you, they. That is subject. have is helping form, and attempted is third form, and exam is object. So in present perfect we use has or have plus verb third form. Okay, and I, we, you, they, that is, in that case you use have. He, she, it, we use has, or some singular form, some name. In that case also we use has. In this case also same as that. If we use negative, we will say I have not received your letter. Mean to say मुझे आपका पत्र नहीं मिला. I have not received your letter. I have not. Mean to say this is negative, not received, verb third form. This is object. And this one is subject. If I say about interrogative, have I received your letter? Mean to say क्या मुझे आपका पत्र मिल चुका है? So question mark. This is called interrogative. Okay, understood? The next one is fourth one, present perfect continuous. In present perfect continuous, we will use two. It's a combination of two, like perfect plus continuous. In continuous, I have just cleared about that. In continuous, we use verb first form plus ing, and in perfect, we use verb third form or has or have. But in this case, we will use have been, or has been plus verb first form plus ing. Been is used in perfect continuous. It's a combination of two, perfect and continuous. So in this case, we will use, for example, in this case, we will use more also, since and for. Since it is used for indefinite time, mean to say since morning, since evening, since afternoon, mean to say you are not appropriate for the timing. आपको timing का नहीं पता. And for, you are used as a particular timing, definite time. For example, for 2 hours, for 2 days, for 3 nights. So in that case, you will use for, otherwise since morning, since evening. So you are not particular about timing. In that case, you will use since, otherwise for. I'll give you example regarding that. Okay, the first one is like, मैं सुबह से काम कर रही हूँ. Okay, so this is called present perfect continuous. मैं, it is subject, I. कर रही हूँ, mean to say I have been. As in the previous tense or previous type of tense, I told you with I we use have. So that's why I used have. I have been doing. करना, do. We will start from the ending. I have been doing काम, work, सुबह से, mean since morning. Okay, so this is called affirmative sentence. I have been doing work since morning. मैं सुबह से काम कर रही हूँ. If I say about negative, मैं सुबह से काम नहीं कर रही, you will say I have not been. Have not been, not have been not. That is incorrect. You will say I have not been doing work since morning. Okay, this is called negative. If I say about interrogative, then have will come as a subject. Have I been doing work since morning? क्या मैं सुबह से काम कर रही हूँ? Question mark. So this is called as interrogative. So in present have 4 types. I just figured about 4 types. On the next video, I'll tell you about the past tense, what the past tense is.